The helpful compass. In a big forest, three friends, Jack, Sam, and Lim, loved exploring together. One sunny day, they wandered too far and got lost. Jack said,
"Let's use my dad's compass to find our way back."
They looked at the compass, a small round tool that shows directions. Sam added,
"But how do we use it?"
Lim remembered.
"My dad showed me once. The needle always points north."
Jack held the compass and watched the needle.
"North is where we need to go."
They walked, following the needle's direction. Sometimes the trees made it hard to see, but they kept checking the compass and talking about which way to go. They reached a river. To cross it, they needed to find a safe way. Jack said,
"The compass shows where we need to go, but let's also look for a good crossing spot."
They found a sturdy log bridge and carefully crossed the river together. On the other side, they looked at the compass again.
"We're closer to home now,"
exclaimed Sam. Following the compass, they finally saw familiar trees and knew they were close. They reached home just before sunset. Jack said,
"Using the compass helped us find our way back."
Sam added.
"And working together made it easier."
Lim nodded.
"Yeah, it's important to know how to use a compass, and it's good to have someone older teach us."
They thanked Jack's dad for the compass and told their parents about their adventure. Their parents were proud of how they used the compass and stuck together. From then on, whenever they explored, they took the compass and remembered what they learned about navigation from their parents. And their adventures became even more exciting, knowing they could always find their way back home with the help of the trusty compass and the lessons from their parents.